Marami ang naniniwalang mananaigang Pinoy junior golfer na si Zach Guico sa darating na U-Swing World Championship sa California. Narito ang Agenda Weekend Report ni Dobby de Guzman.
Muling iwawagayway ni Zach Guico ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa World Golf Championship sa San Diego, California.
With an amazing 3 under today.
Ito'y matapos tanghaling kampiyon si Guico sa qualifying round sa Luisita Golf and Country Club sa Tarlac nitong March 17 hanggang March 19.
Like a lot of practice. So, yeah. Really need to practice on short game because the greens here at Luisita are very hard.
Gaganapin ang Oswing World Championship sa darating na Hulyo. Noong nakarang taon, pampito si Guico sa 7 to 8 division ng nasabing kompetisyon. Mataas ang kumpiyansa ng mga kapwa golfer, maging ng kanyang idolo na mananaig si Zach Guico sa darating na torneo.
You know, I've met Zach like a few years ago. To see him grow up so much, and that span of a few years is, you know, it's awesome to see him play really well.
Sa edad na 8, dalawang international championship na ang napanalunan ni Zach tubong pinalo ng Pangasinan. Kinabibilangan ito ng 2025 US Kids Golf World Championship sa Pinehurst, North Carolina. At ngayong taon, nakuha niya ang pangalawang titulo matapos manaig sa 8 to 9-year-old division ng Daily Mail Junior World Championship sa Marbella, Spain.
Hopefully he will continue to love the game. I think that's what's important naman. He will continue to love it kasi it's hard to force children to play a certain sport and their heart is not there.
Kasunod ng pag-dominate sa qualifying event, balik ensayo si Zach.
I feel really good actually because I'm gonna be playing at Singing Hills again.
Malayo mararating nitong batang to. Layo ng drive eh.
Makakaharap ni Zach sa San Diego, California ang mga ipinagmamalaking batang golfer mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Dobby de Guzman, Billionaire News Channel, Tarlac.